Have you ever wondered if ancient Hindu texts predicted modern scientific discoveries? In this fascinating exploration, we're connecting the dots between the wisdom of yesteryears and the scientific revelations of today. Our journey will take us through the sacred corridors of the Vedas, Upanishads, and the Bhagavad Gita. These timeless texts, revered by millions, are not just spiritual guides, but also repositories of knowledge that resonate uncannily with modern scientific theories. The Vedas, with their profound cosmic insights, the Upanishads, with their intriguing parallels to quantum physics, and the Bhagavad Gita, with its echoes of evolutionary theory, all offer a compelling dialogue between the ancient and the modern, the spiritual and the scientific. So, are these mere coincidences, or is there a deeper connection waiting to be discovered? Join us as we delve into the mysterious world of ancient wisdom and its astonishing relevance to the world of science today. The Rig Veda, one of the oldest texts in the world, contains astonishing insights into the nature of the universe. Delving deeper into this ancient text, you'll find hymns that seem to hint at concepts we've only recently begun to explore in modern physics. For instance, the Rig Veda speaks of the Nasadiya Sukta, or the Hymn of Creation. It describes a time when nothing existed, not even the concept of space and time, a state eerily reminiscent of what we now call the singularity, the point from which the Big Bang sprung forth. In another hymn, the Rig Veda talks of a cyclical universe, a concept that modern cosmology has only recently started to consider seriously. The text describes the universe going through endless cycles of creation, preservation, and destruction, similar to the cyclic model of the universe. This model suggests that the universe undergoes endless cycles of expansion and contraction, much like the cosmic cycles in the Rig Veda. And then there's this intriguing idea of a multiverse. The Rig Veda alludes to the existence of other worlds, other realms beyond our own. Now, isn't that strikingly similar to our modern-day theories of a multiverse, where our universe is just one among an infinite number of universes? But how could the ancient sages who composed the Rig Veda know about these complex cosmic concepts? Could they have had an intuitive understanding of the universe that we're only now beginning to grasp with our scientific advancements? It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? Yet it's right there in the Rig Veda, a text that's over 3,000 years old. It's like a cosmic puzzle, pieces of our understanding of the universe scattered across time and cultures, waiting for us to piece them together. The Vedas, written thousands of years ago, seem to have anticipated some of the most groundbreaking theories of modern physics. Indeed, it's a testament to the depth of wisdom contained within these ancient texts. But more than that, it's a reminder that science and spirituality, often seen as opposing forces, can actually converge, offering us a more holistic understanding of the universe we inhabit. The Upanishads, philosophical texts of ancient India, may hold the key to understanding quantum physics. These texts, composed over 2,000 years ago, delve into profound philosophical questions about the nature of reality. One of the central concepts in the Upanishads is the idea of Brahman and Atman. Brahman is the ultimate reality, the cosmic principle, while Atman is the individual soul or self. The Upanishads assert that the Atman and Brahman are one and the same, that there's an unbreakable bond connecting all things. This bond, this unity, transcends our physical world, suggesting that, at the most fundamental level, everything and everyone is intrinsically connected. Now let's take a leap from the philosophical realm of the Upanishads to the scientific realm of quantum physics. One of the most fascinating principles in quantum theory is the concept of entanglement. This is the idea that two particles can be so closely linked that they share the same existence. Even if these particles are light years apart, a change in one instantly affects the other. Does this sound familiar? The interconnectedness, highlighted by quantum entanglement, echoes the Upanishadic principle of the oneness of Brahman and Atman. Both concepts, though formulated in vastly different times and contexts, point towards a reality where everything is fundamentally interconnected. This parallel is not to suggest that the sages who composed the Upanishads had an understanding of quantum physics. Rather, it points to the profound depth of their philosophical insights, which resonate with modern scientific concepts. These ancient texts, with their exploration of reality, self, and the universe, seem to touch upon truths that science is only beginning to unravel. The parallels between the Upanishads and quantum physics invite us to view science and spirituality not as opposing fields but as different paths leading to the same profound understanding of the universe. The Upanishads, with their profound philosophical insights, appear to mirror the enigmatic world of quantum physics. It's a testament to the timeless wisdom of these ancient texts and their relevance in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. The Bhagavad Gita, one of the most revered texts in Hinduism, may have predicted the theory of evolution. This sacred text introduces the concept of the avatar, or divine incarnation. This idea, when seen through a scientific lens, can be interpreted as a precursor to the theory of evolution. The Gita outlines a sequential appearance of avatars, each one signifying a progressive step in the evolution of consciousness. This mirrors the evolutionary theory, where species evolve over time, adapting to their environment and becoming more complex organisms. From the fish avatar, which is akin to the earliest life forms in the sea, to the tortoise, mirroring the transition of life from water to land, all the way to the human avatar embodying advanced cognitive abilities, the Gita's narrative seems to trace a path similar to that of biological evolution. The Bhagavad Gita, with its complex theological narrative, seems to coincide with the scientific understanding of life's evolution on Earth. From the cosmic cycles of the Vedas to the quantum entanglement hinted at in the Upanishads, ancient Hindu texts seem to be teeming with scientific wisdom. We've journeyed through time, from the birth of the universe as depicted in the Vedas, to the intricate mysteries of quantum physics echoed in the Upanishads. We've explored the Bhagavad Gita's potential alignment with evolutionary theory, and celebrated Hindu scientists who've made significant strides in their fields. These connections between ancient Hindu wisdom and modern science aren't mere coincidences. They hint at a profound understanding of the universe that transcends time and culture. They challenge us to rethink our perceptions of science and spirituality, not as opposing forces, but as two sides of the same coin. They invite us to consider the possibility that faith and reason can, indeed, coexist in the modern world. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we may find that the answers we seek have been hidden in plain sight all along, in the sacred texts of ancient civilizations.